racers. Why is it going faster? Hey, that was awesome! Wanna be as cool as me? Let's meet up. I'll teach you. Right away! She's not here yet? Who are you?
Sorry, I'll help you pick them up. Hey, found one.
Here's another one. Still missing one.
What are you guys looking for?
I dropped my screws. One's still missing.
Let me help. Oh, I know where it is. Got it.
Whoa! How did you know it was there?
Because I heard it roll across the floor. Oh, someone's coming. They're wearing heels and earrings. It's a lady.
Sheriff Labrador. My son went to meet an online friend and then disappeared. Wanna be as cool as me? Let's meet up. I'll teach you.
Papillon, can you pull the background sounds from this recording?
Got it.
I hear game music. And construction sounds, too.
Stop. Turn that part up. It's the fireboat siren. If we check where the fireboat went at the time Little Sea Otter went missing, we'll know where that online friend is. Captain Walrus.
What can I help you with?
We're investigating a case. We need to know your route from 9 o'clock this morning.
No problem. Here it is.
Why did you avoid this area?
Oh, there was construction going on.
That's it. Let's go.
I want to go home. You're not going anywhere. Time to trick another kid.
The suspect's place should be nearby. Is that game music? Over there!
Yes! You're so cool! Play with me too! Awesome! Wanna come to my house and play?
Atuo, you again.
Ah! How do the cops find me? Bye-bye!
Stop right there! You're safe now, Little Sea Otter. Papillon, take him home now. Dobie, let's go after Atuo.
Atuo, stop right there!
Over there!
Stop right there, Atuo!
A music maze? A perfect place to hide. You'll never catch Dr. Atuo.
Dobie, watch out!
The police got through the maze! What do I do? That's it! Hey! The lights went out!
You can't escape in the dark. I don't see her anywhere.
Shh. Huh? I hear someone tiptoeing over there. Let's go.
Now it's so dark in here. The cops will get lost in the maze for sure. Huh?
Gotcha, Antel.
I failed again. Huh? Caught again? I'm gonna make an awesome tit. All done! These super glasses will surely help me trick kids!
Sheriff's note.
Things to keep in mind.
Kids, did you know when police investigate a case, even sounds can be big clues? Things like car noises, construction sounds, birds chirping, or music. They all sound different. With a sound print analysis and sound database, police can tell where and when something happened, even who did it. Isn't it amazing?
Woof!